During this pandemic, many students are home-based learning. That is, students are studying in their home and connected online with their laptop to their school. Just like a normal study class, students will be given homework assignments. Students can submit their homework by email. Another way is by the WhatsApp Messenger application. Since WhatsApp Messenger is not a default installed application on the PC, I will share how we can send document to WhatsApp Messenger using your laptop. Okay, so let's start. So for example, I want to create an homework. Okay, so it's like in this WordPad document, blank. Okay, example, so I say I just type this, make it bigger so I can see. Okay, this is my assignment. Okay, for example, we have done the assignment, then we want to save this file. So file, we go to file, save. Okay, so we put on the desktop. Okay, so easier. So I just put a name. Okay, say my assignment. Okay, so this is my assignment. So I just click save. Okay, so this is now an assignment, so I close. Okay, so when we look at the desktop, it's here. Okay, so now we want to send it by WhatsApp. So the next thing is we need to go to the Chrome. Okay, double click. Okay, so I use this account. Okay, then we will type WhatsApp web. WhatsApp web. Okay, so actually you don't need to finish full thing because it's here. Okay, you just click this one. Okay, now we go to this page. We just click this one again. Okay, now it's coming out. Then there's a QR code there. Okay, so now we will open we will get our phone. Okay, so I just move my phone here. Okay, under WhatsApp, there's this 3 button here on top. Okay, so after tapping that one, just tap here. Okay, then it asks us to link a device. So I click this link a device. Okay, now it shows like there's a QR code scanner. So we want to point this one here. Okay, so now we look at the laptop. Now we have the copy. Okay, we have the copy of our phone. Okay, so now example, I want to send this one to our homework. I just minimize this. Okay, so remember our homework is here, this mini assignment. So I just drag this one here. Okay, and then send. Okay, so now you can see that this one is being sent. Okay, so now if you go to your phone, you can see there my assignment is already submitted. Okay, so then you have to wait for the person to acknowledge your assignment. Okay, so that's all for today this very short video, and I hope this video is helpful, and thank you for watching the whole video. Until my next video, I just say bye bye for today. 감사합니다. 안녕.